If you're watching this on July 7th, hey, hope you're doing well. Something really cool is going to happen tomorrow morning, and I want to tell you about it right now. The problem is I don't exactly know how to word what's going on. Allow me to explain. I was scrolling through Instagram one day and I found this post. It was a sunlight map from timeanddate.com, and the post stated, on July 8th at 11:15 Universal Time, 99% of the world's population experiences sunlight. Now, if you look at the map, you can kind of deduce that, yeah, okay, the big population centers are in the brighter areas, and Australia and New Zealand are in the darker areas. But there's a problem. There's a segment of time before sunrise and after sunset that's technically neither day nor night. And this area is represented by the shaded gradient that's on the map. So saying that 99% of the world's population experiences sunlight is not the best way to put it. I think I can show this visually. Follow me. Everything in the white here experiences direct sunlight, meaning that the sun is directly visible over the horizon. Everything on this side of the black line experiences night, meaning that there is no sunlight visible over the horizon and the sky is completely dark. At every point between the white area and the black line, the sun is below the horizon. However, there's still enough refracted sunlight in the atmosphere that it appears relatively light outside. This area is called twilight. Twilight is scientifically defined as the period of time when the sun is less than 18 degrees below the horizon. Once the sun reaches 18 degrees below the horizon, it is considered night and the sky is dark. Twilight itself is split up into three separate parts. Civil twilight is when the sun is between 0 and 6 degrees below the horizon. It's bright enough that you can do pretty much everything you normally would during the daytime without the need for artificial light. Out here at the very start of civil twilight, the sun just set behind me. It was a beautiful sunset, and don't really need any artificial light. I could probably bike back home without a flashlight, but got one just in case. Nautical twilight is when the sun is between 6 and 12 degrees below the horizon. Sailors used to use the positions of particularly bright stars to navigate the seas at night, and nautical twilight is around the time when those stars become visible. We're at the start of nautical twilight. I can't really see any stars in the sky, but it's probably because there's a thin layer of clouds. Astronomical twilight is when the sun is between 12 and 18 degrees below the horizon. This is the period when most celestial stars and planets are visible, but faint and distant objects are still drowned out by the faint fading brightness of our sun. You can actually figure out the exact time of your local twilight using timeanddate.com, which is particularly useful if you're trying to figure out when exactly it's going to get dark. Also, twilight is a lot shorter near the equator and longer near the poles due to the tilt of the Earth's axis. So, back to our original question. What exactly happens at 11:15 a.m. on July 8th? Well, we actually have two very familiar names for when the sun is exactly 18 degrees below the horizon at sunrise and at sunset. Those are dawn and dusk. And while, yes, 99% of the world's population is receiving photons from the sun being scattered throughout our atmosphere, the wording is very misleading, and I've seen many people in the comments thinking that these areas are actually between sunrise and sunset. So, officially, at 11:15 Universal Time on July 8th, 99% of the world's population is between dawn and dusk. What should you do with this information? I don't know. 11:15 is 7:15 a.m. Eastern Time here in the States, so I'll probably be drinking coffee while having a sneezing fit, because allergies suck. See you guys next week. Subscribe.